guys, so we just pulled in and we thought we'd show you guys our setup, how we park, what we do the moment we get to our campsite, and yeah, we'll show you. We've actually gotten pretty good at it. First things first, dog gets to come outside. Next step is unlocking the door, getting our stairs out, and putting the cat back in the trailer.
So our next step is we take off our trailer brake and our stabilizer bars. These really help reduce any sway on the highway. Trailer brake helps take some ease off of our truck brakes so we don't have our brakes overheating all the time. So after that, pull forward just a little bit so we can lower this down, make sure it's level. So we keep this right here on the tongue of our trailer. It's Gorilla Glued down so that we have a good reference point for keeping our trailer level. Now that we move the truck out of the way, we can go ahead and lower this down until it gets into the middle circle. Now that we're level, we can go ahead and put the stabilizers down. For some reason, it was leaning to the left or to the right. We would put some blocks underneath the stabilizers to help kind of even it out left to right. But luckily this is a pretty level site, so.
So the outside is usually more Dare's job to get set up, and the inside is what I get ready. After I let the animals in, we get our plants, which this is where they kind of hang out in the sink. They don't move, it's perfect, the glass doesn't break. Take those out, put them back so they get sunlight when we're away. And then pretty much just put the curtains up, get the heat on if we need it, turn the water pump on, and then just make sure if anything fell or broke, pick it up or fix it. Like we had this little guy fall off. So that'll need to be fixed. Alright, so now that we showed you our setup, let's show you our new parking spot for the night. We're only going to be here one night in Illinois at Starved Rock State Park. It's actually quite beautiful. I'll show you around.
Hey guys, so we are at Starved Rock State Park in Utica, Illinois. We just finished up our hike on Starved Rock itself and also in French Canyon. We just got back to the truck from hiking those two.
And when we started the YouTube channel, we decided that we wanted to be honest about our travels and experiences, and we wanted to share ours from our experience here. And unfortunately, our personal experience was not a pleasant one. Unfortunately, there was a ton of people. On top of that, the amount of trash was absolutely insane, and graffiti all throughout, lots of loud music being played by visitors, and it just wasn't the experience we were expecting to have. But that's our own personal experience. Yours might have been different.
So we came out to Utica, the town of Utica, Illinois. Since we were so disappointed with the state park, we figured, hell, there's a town right up the road. Let's go check out what they have. I guess they have some wineries, so we're gonna check it out and see what they have to offer.
So we ended up getting the wine flights that come with 3 different wines from their menu for $13. Okay, so we were really sad we didn't get more cheese curds in Wisconsin. So we saw that this bar has cheese curds and we thought we would give them a go. So this is what theirs looks like. They have a little aioli sauce too. Let's compare. They're really good, but like, they're not Wisconsin cheese curds. Alright guys, it is the next morning. We did a little bit more drinking last night. We didn't record any of that because we just wanted to enjoy the night. We met some great people as well and hung out with them, and went to the Starved Rock State Park Lodge with them. So we just dumped our black water and gray water and are filling up fresh water right now. And of course the day we're leaving, it is freezing, rain, and hail. So this has been a pleasant morning so far. Missy, where's a wet stinky dog? You are. Yeah, come here. Come here. Yeah, Missy kisses. Okay, so we've been on the highway for maybe 30 minutes, and there's a lot of ice, and everything's backed up. We're going like 25 miles an hour on a highway. The trailer's sliding everywhere. This is a horrible experience. I'm just gonna show you what's in front of us. This is not fun. We're just hoping we get where we need to go safely.
What's up everybody? From Indiana Dunes State Park, we drove from Starved Rock, which is about 90 miles or so southwest of Chicago. It took us about 4 hours almost just to go about 100 miles. Absolutely terrible weather with ice storms, and yeah, if you don't believe me, look at my trailer. Our trailer is covered with ice. This entire piece is one solid piece. I can't even disconnect the truck because everything's frozen together. So we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit and bullshit.
On the plus side, we have a pretty awesome spot, and there's even a little creek right behind us, so can't complain about where we're going to be staying. So we couldn't unhook the truck, at least not yet. We might not unhook it at all, to be honest, because everything's frozen. So luckily there is a trail to the beach part of the Indiana Sand Dunes State Park that was connected right next to where we were. So we are walking down that and we're gonna go check it out. It's covered in snow, we won't be swimming, but I'm sure it's still gonna be just as beautiful. Indiana Dunes State Park. It is really cold and it's raining, but it snowed, so it's a really cool experience to see a beach with snow on it, which is something you don't see in Florida. Missoula loves it. It's 2 of her favorite things to run around in, so let's go check it out. Come on, Missoula! So we're gonna attempt to get everything loosened up and and get the truck unhooked from the trailer, but first things first, getting all this ice off. There's so much ice. Oh my god, the chains are completely frozen.
I know.
Alright, one side down, the other to go. Trailer disconnected from the truck. Success. This is so satisfying. We've just been going around hitting all the ice to get it off the trailer because it's ugly and gross. It's also a lot of fun.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah.
Can you believe we're almost 30?
We must share the dare. Dare. I'm gonna pass you along to someone next, okay?
So just a quick drive over, and now we are at the Indiana Dunes National Lakeshore.
Good morning. We are packing up things now, but we hope you enjoyed our short trip to Illinois and Indiana. Yeah, we'll see you guys in Michigan. That's where we're heading.
Right here, first.
We're going to Traverse City. All right, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.